Why is my lift and shift strategy going to fail?
That one's an easy question to answer. Jira Cloud and Jira Data Center, the only common thing that they have is the name Jira. Under the hood, they're very, very different products. So if you are expecting to take your Jira as it exists in data center and just lift it and shift it and put it into the cloud, a lot of things are not going to work. The fundamentals are there, like your stories are still going to be stories, your boards are still going to go over, your sprints and your scrum and your dashboards and your filters, all of that still comes over. There's a lot of commonality there, but all the customizations, all the APIs, all of that behind the scenes, more infrastructure level things, even user management, it's very, very different in the cloud. So you should not expect to just say, hey, I have this data center version of Jira. I'm going to go move it to the cloud and expect it to work 100%. There's going to be some incompatibility. There's going to be a lot of incompatibility from the application support, right? So think of your third party apps. There's going to be how you manage your users is very different, right? So your licensing strategies have to change a little bit as well. And then any customizations, any custom scripts, any PowerShell, any script runner that you have, those things have to shift because Atlassian, what they allow and don't allow in the cloud is very, very different than how they've set up their data center. So you should expect some significant changes as you're moving over, but still common core functionality will remain the same, but almost everything else kind of shifts a little bit on you. So it's not an easy just lift and shift. You have to think about this and you have to strategize on how things are going to be different. And that takes time, which is why you want to get started with your exploration as soon as possible, because you need to understand what's going to be compatible, yay, and what's not going to be compatible, because that you're going to have to mitigate and come up with a plan. Now, fortunately, we've been doing so many migrations that a lot of partners already have tactics and techniques and like best practices. So they're going to be able to guide you on how to navigate these murky waters.